If you want to change the color of a specific object in Photoshop without ruining the highlights, shadows, or texture, this tutorial is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a fast and clean method that works great for things like changing a shirt color, recoloring a car, or adjusting any single object in your image while keeping it looking realistic. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your image in Photoshop and make sure you've selected the correct layer in the Layers panel. If your image has multiple layers, click the one that contains the object you want to recolor. This is important because it helps keep your workflow organized and makes it easier to edit without affecting the wrong part of the image. Now, at the bottom of the Layers panel, click the New Adjustment Layer icon. That's the half-filled circle icon. From the menu that appears, choose Hue/Saturation. This will add an adjustment layer above your image, which is the safest way to make color changes because it keeps your original image non-destructive. Once the Properties panel opens, you'll see several controls for adjusting color. The key tool you want here is the Targeted Adjustment tool. It looks like a small hand icon with arrows pointing left and right. Click that tool, then move your cursor over the specific color on your canvas that you want to change. For example, if you want to change a red shirt, click directly on the red area of the shirt. Photoshop will automatically detect and lock onto that color range, such as reds, yellows, cyans, or whichever channel matches your object. After that, go to the Hue slider and drag it left or right. As you move the slider, you'll see the object shift through different colors in real time. The best part is that Photoshop preserves the natural lighting, so the highlights still look bright, the shadows still look dark, and the texture still looks realistic. This is what makes the result look so much better than just painting over the object with a solid color. If the color change feels too strong or too weak, you can keep adjusting the hue until it looks just right. You can also fine-tune the saturation slider if you want the color to be more vivid or more subtle, and the lightness slider if you need to make the object slightly brighter or darker. If you're working on something like clothing, product photos, or vehicle edits, this technique is especially useful because it gives you a clean, professional finish without affecting the rest of the image. And because it's an adjustment layer, you can always go back and change your settings later without damaging the original file. Once you're happy with the result, take a moment to zoom out and compare the before and after. You'll notice how quickly the object's color can be transformed while still keeping its natural depth and detail. That's the power of using hue saturation with the Targeted Adjustment tool in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Photoshop guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.